engineering computing students, they're scientists at heart. They like to have a process in place and really looking at what they're going to do to achieve their goals. That's what I see my work and our team's work is helping them understand what steps they need to take to be successful in their ultimate career goals and ultimately in their life. We've had students that have worked at places like NASA, at Tesla, at Apple, at Facebook, at places here in Columbia like Shaw Industries or International Paper or Bosch.
We actually have curricula that also prepare the students truly for jobs. Our students, when they get a job, they progress very rapidly in their careers because they're ready.
I feel like CEC allows you to talk to so many companies. You know, they let you have one-on-one meetings with them, and they create all these different events that really allow you to get to know every single company.
It's really cool, the connections that I've made, because they've actually opened up so many career opportunities for me. I just got back from an internship at Los Alamos National Laboratory through the Department of Energy.
The Career Center was actually one of the best things that I was able to utilize. And the great thing about the CEC and Career Center, and I'd say the Career Center as a whole, but especially the CEC Career Center, the prep, the interview prep, the interview skills that they instill and they point out to you, because you will sit down and actually do a mock interview. And by the time you're done with that mock interview, I guarantee you, you're ready for anything.
I went to New York City as a junior engineering technician, and basically I followed a professional engineer and went to multiple work locations and helped him. We worked on all kinds of job sites. We worked on One World Trade Center. We worked on LaGuardia Airport. And then later in the co-op, we went down to New Jersey and we went to Pennsylvania, mainly Philadelphia, and worked on some housing developments, different business centers, commercial sites.
Understanding the importance of gaining that experience is something that we communicate to all of our students, and we do that through classroom presentations, through assignments with your professors, through individual appointments with students. We work in a variety of different capacities to help students understand how they can get that experience and then how that plays a factor in their long-term career success.
Most people that come here usually have their jobs before they graduate, or most of the people that I know, when you come here, you're probably going to have a job offer or a couple before you graduate.
Yeah, the Career Center in particular, I've walked in several times with a resume that by the end of my meeting with them had transformed completely. And they'll do resume reviews, they'll sit you down and do a mock interview if you're not comfortable talking in front of a potential employer. They'll put you in contact with employers while you're at your job. They'll make sure you're comfortable, that you're accommodated. They really strive to make sure that you can be the best engineer that you can be, which is a really, really great resource.
There really is a coordinated care network here to help you be successful and keep you on track towards your goals.